This is one of the restaurants where they make breakfast in the morning. See the paratha. Hey, paratha koto kore? See, this paratha is means 10 taka means you can get actually from $1 8 paratha. 8 paratha you can get for $1. So in the morning the eggs. এই ডিম কত করে? একটা ডিম
20 টাকা বিক্রি করে।
ওখানে বানায় দাও কত করে?
20 টাকা।
See this eggs. Eggs is you will get 4 eggs for $1. They will fry it for you from this restaurant. So this paratha, eggs, then this is it a vegetable, lentil. Dal koto kore?
10 টাকা।
See, this lentil, one plate. You can buy for $1 8 plate. Or bhaji?
10 টাকা প্লেট।
Yeah,
10 টাকা
same.
না,
Same.
দুই পদ মিলিয়ে দেয় 10 টাকা।
Yeah.
দুই পদ মিলিয়ে
Same.
ডাল ভাজি mix।
This is one of the poorest community, and it's in the village. Very cheap here for like a morning breakfast. $1 is enough for whole, or $2 maximum, enough for whole family to eat with paratha, eggs, vegetables, lentils, like that. This is the morning breakfast.